get it? Please tell me you got it. All is well.
But for now, your butt's gonna be sore tomorrow. Oh my.
Boy, that thing just came right up.
Well, you were going up ahead. Dad. You're gonna have to go see the chiropractor. Gonna need an adjustment.
Let me see, Gary. I don't know, need a stinking doctor. Check it out. Look, it even handles crashes very well. There's nothing here wrong with it. Look, nothing wrong with this bike. Yeah, I'm doing good. That was a lot of fun. Let's do it again. Here. Oh, yeah, I felt it. As soon as I went up, I was like, what the heck? How did this happen? Oh my goodness. Because that was going through my mind. I kept thinking, how did I end up here? And I was still going through the air.